Hello, everybody. So I got something cool in the mail this week. I saw it online on TikTok and I purchased it because I wanted to kind of test it out and I want to talk to you guys about it. So this is called Nowadays. Nowadays does THC Infused liquor. And what I mean by that is there's no alcohol content on there. It is just purely infused with THC, which if you are someone who is looking to do a dry January or just a dry 2025, this could be another option for you if you like the effects of THC versus the effects of alcohol. So what I mean by that is alcohol tends to leave you kind of feeling out of control. Alcohol sometimes can give you really bad anxiety the next day because you're kind of like, oh my God, what did I do? It can make you feel a little bit out of control. Alcohol can give you a hangover and can, if you have any stomach issues in general, even if you don't have stomach issues, can fuck your stomach up. And I have been noticing lately when drinking alcohol, even stuff like high noons, my stomach is just not having it lately. I'm feeling sick. I don't like it. And so I was looking for another option of something that I could try and enjoy in a social setting with my friends, or even at night if I'm trying to get a little bit extra of sleep, which is one of the main reasons I got this. And so I found this on TikTok. It's called Nowadays. They're a brand and they have, excuse me, I'm getting over a cold. They have 3 different versions of their alcohol. The first version is 10 milligrams of THC per shot. The second version is 5 milligrams per shot. And I got the micro dose version, which is only 2 milligrams per shot. So I really wanted the cranberry version of this that they released for the holidays, but I saw the videos for it after the holidays and it's fucking sold out everywhere, which makes me so upset because I love cranberry everything. But I got their normal flavor, which is listed as like a fresh and fruity flavor. And it's not supposed to taste like weed at all, which I found really interesting. So let me tell you how I want to use this. I suck at sleeping. I really struggle to fall asleep at night. And sometimes in order to help me sleep, I'll take like a 2.5 milligram edible in order to relax my body, relax my mind, and just get a restful night's sleep without having like the hangover that melatonin gives me, which is terrible. And so what I'm going to do with this is I want to start making kind of a sleepy time cocktail with this. Here's what I plan to put in it. So I am planning to do a sleepy time cocktail with this tart cherry juice because there are studies that link tart cherry juice to being able to regulate your blood sugar and help you sleep at night. I'm going to take it with a magnesium pill, which you know how like I tote taking magnesium in general. And I'm going to top it with probably a sparkling water or seltzer of some sort. My favorite is the Polar Ginger Mule, and make myself kind of a mocktail mule for bedtime and see if that helps me unwind at night and helps me sleep a little better. So I'm going to start tonight. I'm going to make this like little sleepy time cocktail. Then I'm going to go into like a full hour of just chill time and me time. So take a bath, read a book, relax, try to limit the amount of TV and screen time that I have tonight and see if this helps. And you also know that I just bought the Curious Elixirs, which are non-alcoholic beverages. And I got the idea of, hey, what if I take one of these non-alcoholic beverages, like I think this is the Juniper Cucumber Collins, and add a little shot of the THC drink. And then that way I'm kind of getting the best of both worlds. I don't have to do shit. I just have to combine them and see how that makes me feel. But I was really excited to find both of these online scrolling TikTok and wanted to share them with you, and I will let you know how they make me feel. I'll even, if you guys want to see the sleepy time cocktail, I'll do a video and we can kind of create it together. But I love really innovative things. And the non-alcoholic beverage, I don't know what it's called, the market, there we go, is going to be expanding and has already expanded over the last few years. So I'm really excited to see stuff like this coming out.